Everyone, this is Loncom back again with another video on how we can do the configurations and all the stuff on the MikroTik. Don't hesitate to inbox us. Watch the video until the end so that you can try to learn a new thing or anything new to this tech industry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade MikroTik RouterOS. So to see the version of that MikroTik which is connected to it, basically you come after opening this Winbox, and those who don't know Winbox, it's a software which helps us to read the MikroTik. It's free. Maybe we can put the link in the description, or if you don't know how to download it into your PC, there is a video if you check out other videos on this channel on how to download and connect your MikroTik to this Winbox. So when you come to the interface, this shows that the MikroTik is already connected. When it's connected on the TX and LX, it always shows some figures changing in through the KBs or MBs according to the speed limit you have in your internet. But before going any other further, then you check that MikroTik, if it's getting internet, you ping it up within the new terminal. You put like ping.8.8.8, then you click enter. It's ping 8.8.8. So here it shows that the host is getting internet, and whenever it's getting internet, it will always show it like this. So that means your MikroTik is getting internet and operating very well. So to downgrade it, you come to system, then you look for where there is packages. Packages, it's where you can do, or if you want to upgrade or you want to downgrade, you can check the updates. If it's having a latest update, as you can see, newer version is available for this MikroTik. This is Hub AC Lite. But the main issue for this video, we want to downgrade. So you come here on downgrade. Like some softwares cannot work well on the latest version of the MikroTik. Even the Winbox, Winbox which is not updated doesn't respond very well to this MikroTik. So it's good you check which version you want to use, or if it's the software which would be favorable for my device MikroTik router board to work very well on it. So that's how you can downgrade it. It's going to reboot itself as it has requested us to reboot after downgrading. Then it will give us a downgraded version, or sometimes we just put a script into the MikroTik and we downgrade it. After restart, it will be downgraded and we reboot it. As you had seen, it was on 7.21, so that means after rebooting it will have reduced its, and you have to make sure it's getting internet before downgrading it so that it can go to the least version of that MikroTik. So that's it, guys. If you have any issue with your MikroTik configurations and all the stuff, you can inbox us. We see how we can help you out in doing all that. Or if you want to install a billing system, don't hesitate to check on us and we help you out to do all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching till this end.